How to fix Afterpay account. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site afterpay.com. It will land you on this official page. Once you're in here, now what you want to do is scroll all the way down. Tons of different options will be visible to you. You can also see the option of contact. Simply click on contact. It will be landing you on this page. From here, you have to choose the specific option. So let me click on I need help to log in or to manage my account. You can choose any of the option according to your need. You will be landing on this page. You have to provide the necessary information. First of all, enter your email address associated with your account, and then select the specific help that you need. After that, enter your first name, last name, your date of birth, your phone number, and also enter your address. After that, you have to state the problem that you have been facing in Afterpay. Once you have entered all of the necessary information, tap on Submit at the bottom. Now within 24 hours, they will analyze your report and then definitely come up with some solution for you. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Afterpay account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.